Alright. Hello everyone. So today we will continue where we left off yesterday. Just this thing. Need to go to UI and to the discard menu. Now we can fill these up. Do we have the arrow while doing that? No, the arrow is actually not here. Ah, it's because of this. So let's see how it goes now. There we go. Interesting. Hmm. I see. So whatever we do, we should not be able to abuse this window to get stuff from stored to carried items. I have to make sure if I select something that it's always the new item that is set to that slot and everything else turns into what it was before. That will be nice to implement. Oh man. Hello, baby. Welcome, welcome. How was your day in the IT center? Oh, what did you eat and drink? Minor inconvenience. Oh, that glass. I see. So that's the minor inconvenience, that the glass you drank from has had a lipstick on. So probably not cleaned. I see. What did you eat? I see. Wah. Yeah, today it's very hot. But, how was my day? Eventful, I guess. I had to jump around and help people. And in the end, a colleague's car got hit and he doesn't speak German. So I went to help him and call the police. That was actually nice, so I didn't have to stay at the office and get bored. I mean, it sucks that his car got scratched, but it helped me to get out. And I rescued a spider from my apartment. Yeah, exactly. Ja. Steht zu Diensten. I want to play Ace Combat. The sounds of my jet engine is missing. I want to hear that. And you always have to say, you have to make peep sounds. Because missiles are chasing you constantly. You have to go beep, 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 beep. Oh man, I have to solve it someday. But since I started Donkey Kong now, and soon it will be Gamescom, and then some new games will be released, I guess it will be pushed back a while. And this weekend I will not be home. I won't be able to stream on Sunday. And on the other days, of course, so I cannot play Donkey Kong actually. Damn. Yeah, I will be at my parents'. Thanks. Let's see if this works. Can this work? Yes, it can work. Okay. And here we are. Seems to work. Even loops. And now we have to implement the interesting parts, I guess. Now, the thing is, Baby, you have to listen. You have to listen. This menu is only here for only one little reason. And that reason is when our inventory is full, when our storage room is full, and then we battle and we get an item. Because then, normally, if our inventory is full, we would teleport an item back to our storage, but our storage is also full. So what we have to do now is delete an item and exchange it with the new item. Speaking of which, hold on. I have the feeling that I implemented something wrong. Oh my god, I can abuse this! Or can I? Never mind, I can't, because these are not items that are in my storage. This is just to edit. Okay, I didn't implement it wrong. Now the thing is though, when the storage and my inventory is full, I need to delete an item. And right now, I was going to make it so you can delete an item either in your carried or in your storage. But does that make sense? Should I allow the player to delete an item from the storage? I mean, you can already send items to the storage. Speaking of which, what happens if I teleport an item? I cannot. Hold on. I think I forgot something to do. Yeah. This is wrong. Lost item. I have one more thing to do. Anyway, back to our case. So what we need to do is delete an item and put the new item there instead. But if I implement it like the teleporter thing, where I have something like this, like we have entries for our carried items here, and we have entries for our stored items, and both lists are full. And now I have this thing where I have the item that is going to be discarded. If I exchange this with this, now we have the storage item here, right? So if I now exchange it with a current item, I have a stored item into my current. I don't want that. So at the point where I press on this, the new item should go here. The carried item goes here, and the stored item goes back where it was. So maybe instead I have the item in question here, but now I actually mark the item with an arrow. So when I scroll down, you have this blinking arrow here, and you can still go and select something else. And when you press, this blinking one goes to the other arrow. Something like that. Something like highlighting. I mean, yes, to explain it is confusing, but this window is needed because your inventory is full, so you will get some kind of information. I don't know, maybe just a discard menu or inventory full menu, discard an item or something. And if you don't select anything, you discard the new item. So I need to communicate that, but essentially I need something like this. Of course, I could also implement it like that, that anything new we get is put into the dumpster. But I want that the player has the option to actually has the chance to save that item and sacrifice another, and then go back to base and make room. Yeah, so I want to avoid that. I mean, I could do it like that. Like, I mean, he has enough room. He should be able to clean it up in time, but anyway. Should I fix this first? Pretty easy to fix too. Like this. And now it should be already fine. Let's test. I cannot open it. Easy, easy. Go back to this thing. Hoppa. So how do we select? How did we do it in the teleporter? How do we... Ah, these are two different functions. Okay. I would now expect to have an error or a warning if I press this. Well, different kind of problem. I guess we should not be able to open this and carry this open. Let's fix that too real quick. Actually. Like this. Should work now. Nice. That one is solved too. Now back to here. Discard item will never have the chance that the carried items is empty. It's always when both are full, so I don't have to deal with that. So the first case is if we have an item that is selected and we want to select then we have to look if our selection, the current selection, is in the same bucket as our arrow that is showing the selected. If it is the same, if I'm pointing at the selected item already and press the button, or more like if my arrow is in the same bucket as the pointer, then I have to look, is my arrow in the same index, my current selection arrow, in the same index as the selected item? If yes, we have to unselect and remove the blinking arrow. If not, it is still selected. But now this needs to be... No, this needs to be this guy. Something like that. Then we have to do this. And else... this guy needs to be this. And if we don't have a selected item, and the item is now selected, and we have to do these two. Now, of course, I need to also put some kind of indication of the arrow, blinking arrow or whatever. I probably won't use a blinking arrow, not right now. Could be like highlights. So, is an item selected when I press the confirm button? We have one selected. Okay, then we check, hey, is our selection where the highlight arrow is? If yes, check if it's on the same index. If yes, then unselect. If it's not in the same thing, then the highlight arrow index is now the current selection index. And if they are not in the same bucket, then the highlight arrow is now the same as the current selection bucket, and the index is also set there. And if we don't have selected anything, then we say now there is something selected and the current will get the highlight or become the highlight. So this thing works. I just need to make some kind of arrow again. Like a highlight arrow. Which is maybe from the right side this time. Or 2D UI arrow. And now initialize create arrow. Maybe create arrows now. Like so. Create arrows. Update. Set arrow. How do we do that? Panel to attach to, index, get child at. Get the canvas with the index. Add child and then set alignment. And auto size. Now this should be 0 instead, or something like that. Like so. I wonder if this works. Let's test. Select. And yeah. Why didn't I get the item? What happened? This is a little concerning. Why did I not get the discard item? Ah, there it is. So I press. Something is not right. Why is this the same arrow? Yeah, no, thanks. Oops. Why did my music stop? The alignment was kinda off, no? Maybe the anchor? Should be like this, right? Yeah. Let's test. I mean, yeah, seems to work. can select and deselect. I mean, the arrow is pointing the wrong way, but this is just whatever, right? This is just to show I can make the highlight some other way. But it just shows that in data, in logical sense, I can now select and deselect. Like I want to select the battle, test battle heal item. I press and it is selected. So when I press now escape, I want the new item that I get to replace this one. So first we need to display the new item here. And when I highlight it here and press escape and then check my items, this item should be gone and the other one has to be added. I'm not sure if it's in the same place, but I need to check that. And if I don't select anything, then my list should be how they are already, and this guy needs to disappear. So let's keep going. Something like this first. Will probably look bad, but I mean, whatever, right? Everything looks bad here. This is not right. I'm probably in a for each loop, yes. But now it's right. Okay, so we added the item we get. Now we have to resolve it. And for this, we have some handy things. If the item is selected, for instance, then we have to get which one is highlighted, which pool. And then depending on the pool, we have to use this arrow index. So get store data, carried items, keys, get remove and add the new item. I guess we could even keep this. We don't need this. We can just do this and just override it. Same thing we do with the other, but this time we get distort. And here we go. We can now replace the item. And if we don't have anything selected, we just do nothing. What do you mean, not everything? So now we can just test this, and if it works, then we're done. The message got sent when you said everyone looks bad already. Ah! What is not looking bad, please? Can you explain? Look at this! What do you mean? Look at this! It will get good at some point, but right now it's in a rough shape, man. So, we get an item. Test battle heal item. Let us exchange a Tomati. Boop. And I press escape. I forgot to resolve with escape. I need to close the window and so on. I forgot to do that. I mean, yeah, the blocks can be discussed, but still, your oblings are still very cute and but I'm not sure, man. They don't have textures yet. They're like just blobs, and they are really rough. Like if I look at this, let me see. Like, What the hell is this? Yeah, no. Like, what is this animation? I don't know, man. Thank you. So we have to close the menu somehow. How do we do it here? We do something. Get main menu, change. Ah, okay. Memorized active key. Probably don't need this. Created by another menu. No. I need to do this. Whatever happens here, everything needs to lead to this. Maybe I should close this card item menu and do it here. Right controller. Cast UI controller. And do this. Yeah. And now we just add that thing behind. And we're done. Okay, we test again. And we exchange with Tomati. Press escape. Gone. We check our inventory. Still there. Damn it. Should look into this. What's going on here? Hello, Yummy. Now I wanna see what happens. Oop. It is true. This is false. Oh! Of course, it shouldn't go down then. Oh, did I do this wrong with the other one too? I need to check everything now. This should be fine. This should be fine. Select. Item selected true. Current selection at stored items is with this. Yes, yes, yes. Then. Or if it's false, it should be current. Yeah, the carried. And this is fine. Then we're good. Okay, now it's solved. Okay, seems like I forgot to add storage items. Which is funny. Ah, maybe sometimes we don't get an item in a fight, that's why. Could be the issue. I need to check. There's a chance to get nothing. Yay! Meds exchanged! Now let's test if we also can exchange one on the stored items. Oh, oops. I messed up. I messed up! I'm going to die. I didn't die, because I have unlimited health. I forgot. No need to worry. Seems like we again didn't get an item. Oh my god, what do I do if I lose an ARPling? Oh damn. Maybe I need to send that into the pawn. Interesting, I was like, what's going on? And then I realized, wait, we have a dead ARPling. Why don't I have a dead ARPling anymore? Maybe this is very dicey what's going on here. So one thing is, yeah, if I get a KO, I need to make sure to handle that. And this again didn't open that thing. What? Swarm 1. So there's a little chance for it, extremely low, but I'm not sure if that happens. Anyway, there's another bug though. Just wanted to test, man. Why is it that it doesn't work? This is first. We will exchange one of the healings. And now one of the tomatis. And yeah, it's gone. Nice, works. Tomati, healing item, works. This should not happen. So now we have this problem though. Okay, guys, I need an opinion. This are carried items. It is full. And this is our stored items. It is also full. Hello. Hello, Hugo. Good timing. I need an opinion. I'm not sure how much you followed, but right now I'm implementing a thing where when your storage and your inventory is full, I have to handle that thing. If your storage and inventory is full and you want to buy an item, then it blocks you. If you want to store a carried item into the storage while the storage is full, it blocks you. If you get an item in a fight and your carried items and stored items are full, then it gets you to a prompt where you can delete an item and then the new item goes to there, and so on. Now there's a special case though. If I fight and my Orpling gets KO'd, after some count of rounds, that KO'd Orpling isn't just KO, it turns into an item and goes back to your storage. What do I do when my storage is full while one of my Orplings is KO'd? I cannot make a pop-up because it is in the fights. While we are in the fights, it happens. My idea right now is to send them to recovery pool. You know, I also implemented a recovery pool. If we have a game over, if we lose a fight, we fall down the islands and go back to the temple, and we lose all our items. But there is a specific shop that finds your lost items and keeps them. It has a limited amount of space, like 80, but you can go there forever and get your items. And if you lose more items and it has no space, then the oldest items there will get deleted. Yeah, I think we should send the Orpling to the recovery storage. I don't want to lose them. Because imagine, one of your strongest Orplings, you worked months for it, and then because you played so much, all your inventory is full, but you didn't realize. Then you fight a very strong fight. Your Orpling gets KO'd. You think, yeah, okay, it will just go to the storage if the KO counter goes down. So you fight, but then all of a sudden, it's just gone forever. No, we cannot do skill issue here. Yeah, right? I think I came up with that idea last week and implemented it. When we have a game over, you don't lose all your items. They are in the recovery thing where you can buy them back. Like this. If our storage size is, or the content count, it's smaller than the maximum size, then yeah, just put it in the storage. Else, add it into the recovery pool. Why did I do this? Something is very strange here. This can never happen. Oh, that's why. I think I know why our Orpling was not gone. Because of this. Let us test this real quick. So I do this just to see if it can go away or not. Anyway, let's test this. Seriously? Ah, nice, nice. Come on, bigger group. Go down now. Nice. Sometimes the Orplings remind me of Boba. You think too? Now, the arrow happens, I go to fire and our middle Orpling should be still there, right? Yeah, and this shouldn't happen. But if I now connect this, why ever that got deleted, now it should work again. And when it is working now, I can check our recovery pool if the Orpling ended up there. Two, 3, 4, 5, and it's gone. Bye bye, Orpling. And in the middle, he was not there anymore. He's gone. Gone, gone! And we got an item here that we don't want. And now we check our storage. Here, item recovery, or playing, and here it is, fire middle. Now I can go back home. Of course, I don't have any room right now, which means I should sell items. And where was our recovery thing? Was it this guy? To my shop, yes. Buy, and here's Tomati. And now I can go to this, activate the Orpling, he's KO, which means we have to use activation energy on him. We activate him. Here he is. Tomati, fire middle. I go back, place, and he's there again. Everything works, man! Yes! This is so cool. You know, you just imagine something and then you program it after months and it just works. Oh man. All right. So handle when storage full and KO, yes. Implement discard menu, yes. Unfreeze world when done with discard, yes. Failsafe pool For items and orb links added to full storages. When storage full, we need to be able to delete an item. Well, this is only happening in battle thing. The others are different, but this is done. Well, and now we are at these points. I am really not sure how I will do a scrollable item list. That is a problem of Future Monkey, which is more like the Tomorrow Monkey. And then we have to do this thing, which is the respec items. Whenever I get more than my bag can handle, I have to do something. And when these two are done, we will be at the Battle UI, which is the system before last. It's our boss. But the boss needs more levels and so on, so we can actually explore. And when all of this is done, we have our first feature complete, game loop complete, vertical slice, no fun in games, prototype. And a milestone. So I guess in the coming weeks or months, we will finally meet that milestone after a year and more. And there are of course still little things. And when we are done with this, we still have this thing. And these things. But I think when I'm done with all of this, I should at least try to tackle these things so I can feel if I can manage it. And if I can't, I need to find someone to do it for me. Anyway, that's it for today. Yummy baby Hugo. Thanks for tuning in as always. What do you mean by frost? I'm not sure what the second kanji is. Otsukare saru, maybe? Sama. Otsukare sama. Ah! Now I get it. But I don't know if Frost can handle whatever I want to do. Because he's piano, guitar. But first I need to try it myself. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.